In this video, we are going to go over how to view the student level module report in ALEKS. This module report is only found at the student level, so to find this particular report, you're going to have to click into the class in question using the class drop-down menu. Then you're going to click on the student's name in question from the student drop-down menu. Once you're clicked in the student's name, hover over reports and you'll see all of the student level reports that we have available to you, including this module report. Once you click into the module report, this report will look like different tiles that represent each one of the modules that you have created in your course. By clicking on one of the module tiles, you'll filter all of the topics underneath it to that particular module. You will see all of the students' topics that are in the Ready to Learn category, the Learned category, the Mastered since the latest knowledge check category, and the Locked category. Clicking on the arrow next to each one of these categories will show what particular topics are in each, so you can see what the student is currently progressing through. Ready to Learn means it's open and available to them at this current moment in time and they're getting pushed it in their learning path. Learned means they have progressed through it since their latest knowledge check. Mastered means that it was mastered during their previous knowledge check. And Locked means it's locked due to some prerequisites. This is a great report to go into when students come to you asking questions about what they're currently learning in ALEKS. You can click on any one of these topic titles to see a preview of that topic if the student is needing some help. One thing to note about the module report is how to read the current progress on the module versus the gradebook score. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll notice that the gradebook score is in white font. That gradebook score gets locked in on the due date, which is why sometimes that score may be lower than the current progress score. The current progress score is in the large font in the middle of the circle. This percentage in the middle of the circle is showing you their current progress on this module at this moment in time. Remember, students can work on module topics after the module due date has passed. In fact, it's encouraged if they missed any. This helps show you where they're currently at on the module and how many goal topics they have remaining. These topics may be following them into future modules as prerequisites, so it's always good to kind of work backwards to see what they're working on. If there's a green icon in the top right-hand corner, this means that there's a post-module knowledge check attached to that module, and students will see that upcoming. This report is a great way to check on students' learning and how they're progressing through your course.